Check the scene. Scene is safe. Approach the patient.
Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay?
Okay. May response? Wala.
No response.
So,
Next CPR. Hey you. Blue t-shirt. Please pull the AED and come back.
call 998 and
EED.
come back. Yes.
Hey, you wearing yellow shirt? Please call 998 and get the AED and come back.
Check for life. For you, head tilt, chin lift, carotid pulse. I-lift mo yung baba. And then check the pulse also at the same time. Okay? For you, no need. Just hold the head. No, hold the head. Support the head. Yes. Itong isang kamay, breakout pulse. Then, look, listen, and feel, Nor. Yan. Count, Nor. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
10 lang.
10 lang.
10 lang.
Oo, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Negative pulse, negative breathing. Perform?
From CPR.
Yes. Paano mag-CPR kay baby? Okay, ikaw? Look for the SIFED process. You lock your arms straight and count, Nor. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Nor, you're going too fast. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Use the mask, Christine. Yes. Seal. Head tilt. And open the chin. And blow. 1. And blow. Ikaw. Wala lang. Your mouth. 2.
To the nose. Mouth. My mouth and mouth of the baby and with nose.
Okay, good job. So, 2 blows. How many times to repeat that?
5 times.
5 times? Okay, now this is the 5th time na. And push. CPR na. Balik na. And push. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 5. Ito, chin lift and blow. Ay, Christine, pwede i-lock mo pala, i-seal mo lahat. Yan, sige, walang hangin na lalabas. Sige, seal mo pa. Okay, blow. Ikaw, blow. Okay, check for life. Head tilt, chin lift, carotid pulse, ikaw breakout pulse. Look, listen, and feel for 10 seconds. And count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
10 lang, eh. Positive pulse, but the patient's not breathing. Perform. Rescue breath. For adult, how do you give rescue breath for adult?
Count 5 seconds.
6.
Count 6. Repeat in 24 times.
Ikaw.
2 minutes.
count to 1 to
3 seconds. And repeat it for 60 times. Ikaw muna nga. Blow. 1, 2, 1.
Ano sir?
1, 2, 1.
1, 2, 1.
Blow.
1, 2,
2.
2. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 10. 1, 2, 20. 1, 2, 30. 1, 2, 40. 1, 2, 50. 1, 2, 60.
Very good. Go. And blow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10.
20,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20.
23.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 24.
And check for life. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Positive pulse, positive breathing. Perform. Recovery position. Paano si baby mag-recovery position? Bakit kailangan nakaganyan ang ulo ni baby? To prevent your ass. To prevent aspiration. So yung mga suka, babalik doon sa lungs ni baby. We don't want that. Okay? So for you,
Sir, I'm going to move you by left side. So please straight your hand.
Okay.
And put your other hand in your ear.
and the legs.
And the leg should be on the top of
Okay?
the other
In the
leg.
count of 3.
Count of 3. 3, 2, 1.
Check the head for
Check the
injury,
head if there's any
mga
injuries.
blood, check the back for fracture, check the legs. All good?
All good.
Saan nilalagay ang AED? Okay, sige, let's practice nga. And the patient's not responsive again. Check for life. Head tilt, chin lift, carotid pulse, ikaw brachial pulse. Look, listen, and feel for 10 seconds. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Negative pulse, negative breathing. Perform CPR. Continue. Go. 1, 2, 3. And AED has arrived. Oh. Open the AED.
Open the AED.
Okay, attach the pads. Saan pad mo? Saan ang pad mo? Saan ang baby? Okay. Again. Sa harap and sa likod. Okay. Don't touch the patient. Analyzing, analyzing. Please provide shock. Shock is advice. Please press the shock button. But before you press the shock button, you have to shout what? Are you clear?
Clear. Only clear.
Are you clear?
Clear.
I'm clear. I'm also clear. Please press the shock button. Charging. Continue. CPR. Don't touch the patient. Analyzing, analyzing. Shock is advised. Please press the shock button.
Clear. Clear.
Charging. And continue CPR. Last na lang. Analyzing. Don't touch the patient. Please press the shock button.
Clear.
Very good.